Coughing can be a nuisance, especially when it lingers for days. If you're looking for natural ways to ease your cough, here are some home remedies that may help. First up, honey. It's a sweet and natural cough suppressant that can soothe your throat. Just mix 1 tablespoon of honey in a cup of warm water or tea, and sip it slowly. Ginger is another great natural remedy. It contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and can help relieve a cough. Try boiling a few slices of ginger in water, and add some honey or lemon to taste. Lastly, steam can help loosen mucus and ease a cough. You can either take a hot shower or inhale steam from a bowl of hot water. Just be careful not to burn yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.